In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the default photo viewer in Windows 11. So let's get started. So click on the start button and go to settings. Then you have to click on apps on the left pane and simply click on default apps. Now simply search photo and click on photos. Okay. So here you just have to simply change that for every file type. Click on choose default and then you can simply change that to any other options from here and click on set default. So you have to do that for each and every file type right here. Click on choose default and then you can simply choose any other options from here under more options and simply click on set default. So that's how you can easily do it. So you just have to simply go through each file type one by one and then you have to change this to any other application. You just have to click on that and then you will be listed with the suggested apps to open that kind of file. So simply click on set default. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.